Hello students, today I am going to discuss chapter number 3 electrochemistry class 12 science. First of all, I want to discuss what is electrochemistry. The study of production of electricity from energy released during spontaneous chemical reactions and the use of electrical energy to bring about non-spontaneous chemical transformations is known as electrochemistry, or the branch of chemistry which deals with the study of interconversion of chemical energy into electrical energy or electrical energy into chemical energy is called electrochemistry. To students, from definition it is clear that use of electricity to bring about chemical reaction or production of electricity from chemical reaction is known as electrochemistry. The branch of chemistry which deals with the study of production of electricity from chemical reaction or use of electricity to bring about a chemical reaction is known as electrochemistry. After that, electrochemical cells. Students, cells used in electrochemistry are called electrochemical cells. As we have discussed, there are two types of processes occurs in electrochemistry: conversion of electricity, use of electricity to bring about chemical reaction, and production of electricity from chemical reaction. Therefore, there are two types of cells. What are electrochemical cells? Cells used in electrochemistry are called electrochemical cells. On the basis of definition, there are two types of electrochemical cells. First, that can convert electrical energy into chemical energy, or second, that can convert chemical energy into electrical energy. Your first type is galvanic cell or voltaic cell. Galvanic cell or voltaic cell. Electrochemical cells that converts the chemical energy liberated during the redox reaction to electrical energy is called galvanic cell or voltaic cell. Means the cells that converts chemical energy into electrical energy. The cells that converts chemical energy into electrical energy are called voltaic cell or galvanic cell. Example of galvanic cell or voltaic cell is Daniell cell. After that, what is Daniell cell? Daniell cell. Daniell cell having electrodes of zinc and copper dipping in the solution of their respective salt. बेटा डेनियल सेल में कॉपर रॉड को कॉपर सल्फेट सोल्यूशन में डिप किया रहता है और जिंक रॉड को जिंक सल्फेट सोल्यूशन में. डेनियल सेल्स हैविंग इलेक्ट्रोड्स ऑफ जिंक एंड कॉपर डिपिंग इन द सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ देयर respective salt. Zinc rod in zinc sulfate solution, copper rod in copper sulfate solution, and both these solutions are connected with the help of salt bridge. This whole assembly is known as Daniell cell. Electrical potential equal to the 1.1 volt when concentration of zinc and copper ions is unit 1 mole per dm. Means student, this cell will give approx 1.1 volt potential. Functions of Daniell cell. When external voltage opposing the cell potential applied. स्टूडेंट्स, जब इस सेल में एक्सटर्नल पोटेंशियल हम लोग अप्लाई करेंगे तो वो तीन कंडीशंस में वर्क करता है. केस 1, व्हेन एक्सटर्नल पोटेंशियल इज लेस देन 1.1 वोल्ट. मीन्स जितना ये पोटेंशियल प्रोड्यूस कर सकता है, एक्सटर्नल पोटेंशियल जो हमने अप्लाई किया है उसकी वैल्यू उसके पोटेंशियल से अगर कम है तो. व्हेन एक्सटर्नल पोटेंशियल इज लेस देन 1.1 वोल्ट, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फ्लोज फ्रॉम जिंक रॉड टू कॉपर रॉड, हैंस करेंट फ्लोज फ्रॉम कॉपर रॉड टू जिंक. तो नॉर्मल कंडीशन जो इसकी है, इसमें आपको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कहाँ से फ्लो करता है? कॉपर रॉड टू जिंक रॉड. जिंक डिजॉल्व्स एट एनोड एंड कॉपर डिपोजिटेड एट कैथोड. कंडीशन नंबर सेकेंड, व्हेन एक्सटर्नल पोटेंशियल इक्वल टू 1.1 वोल्ट, नो फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन और करेंट, नो केमिकल रिएक्शन. यानी जितना प्रोडक्शन करता है वोल्टेज सेल उतना ही अगर वोल्टेज हम अप्लाई कर दे तो सेल के अंदर कोई भी रिएक्शन नहीं होता. इफ applied potential is more than the voltage produced by the cell, then opposite process starts. Electron flows from copper to zinc and current flows from the zinc to copper. Zinc is deposited at zinc rod and copper dissolves. Means this cell now behaves as not Daniell cell or galvanic cell or voltaic cell. This behaves as opposite to this cell. Okay, thank you.